Hey, what's going on, guys? Working on a '06 BMW 325i. It's an N52. I was actually having an issue going on with the intake. It was taking on a lot of oil because CCV, brand new cheap ass CCV I got that already went out, or probably it's probably not all that CCV's fault, but it was probably something that had to do with the VVT over here, causing a lot of oil to get sucked up in the intake, along with that, along with the crankcase pressure. Um, so I took off the whole intake early this morning. Been working all night and early all morning. Taking that intake out, cleaning it up. A bunch of oil came out, probably like half a quart, literally, just chilling in there. It's terrible. A lot of white smoke. Thought I blew my head gasket or something happened, but I was like, nah, that ain't happening. It was just crazy. Just didn't make sense. Didn't smell right. So I knew it had to be either fuel mixed with the oil or just oil. People say, oh, it's not oil, it's not black. Okay, no, I vape, and this oil is the same color as motor oil, and it comes out white. Same shit. So I was right. It was actually oil chilling in the intake. Cleaned that up all night, dumped it all out, washed it a few times out in the backyard, got it all clean. But I remember I had this annoying ticky noise. It would go away after, driving about a minute or two down the road. I guess it would lubricate whatever. Checked online. Everyone's like, oh, it's normal for BMWs. Trust me, that's not normal. If you got a ticky noise, check it out. I did that. I didn't want to do it, but I did that. And look what I found. Okay, these are the Vanos. You got your your exhaust, you got your intake. Um, so I actually thought it was coming from right here. It actually does look a little thin. The little guide chain right there. Chain guide or whatever the hell you call them. But you see this little housing around it. You got the two bolts holding it pretty hardcore secure. Check this out. Look at that. Came loose over time. Actually, I got this from my uncle like a year and a half ago, and it's been doing this. But thank God I checked. Here, let me see if I can get a good view. You got that's the back of the where the screws go. Look at the gap. Can't get a good view, sir. Anyway, there's like a big old gap right there. It's just nuts. Like the whole thing is moving. Can you imagine? Can you imagine if that all that shit broke all up in here? Dude, that's engine would have been a goner. I would have gave it like maybe 1,000 miles, maybe if I'm lucky. If I did all my oil changes maybe every 50 miles. But damn, come on, BMW, what the fuck? Unless whoever else had this decided to order some bullshit eBay timing chain kit. I don't know, but gotta say that's some fucked up engineering right there. Or I don't know. I I don't know. I shit. That kind of pisses me off that something like that could just get loose over time. They're not even fucking secured bolts. Oh my god. They don't have those little stopper things behind them. Not the washers, but they have those crazy looking protected ones where they don't go anywhere. Oh wow. Gotta give it to you, BMW. Did a terrible job. Anyway, I just wanted you guys to let you know so you guys don't fuck up your engine. All right. Be cool.